Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change mobile number on Verizon. So if you are using Verizon mobile application, then it's pretty much simple to change a mobile number. So if you have already created an account on Verizon, then and you have registered device, a multiple device or a single device, then you will get that device information and the mobile number listed here in this devices section. So you just need to tap on this manage device for a specific device, or you may need to click on manage all devices. Then when you click on it, you will find this type of interface. Then you just need to scroll down until you find preferences, and in preferences section you will find a manage mobile number. Then you just need to tap on that, and you will find pick the this change mobile number section, where you have to enter the zip code that your number is registered for. So pick the first 6 digits of your new number. You have to pick out first. You just need to tap on this drop down button, and you have to pick the first 6 digit. There will be multiple choice for you. You can choose any of them from that drop down section. Then after choosing the first 6 digit, then you just need to tap on next, and you can just enter your number, or you can just transfer an existing number to that device. So that's how you can easily change the phone number on Verizon by using the mobile application. Or if you're on a browser, then you can just go to the same your dashboard, then where you will find change mobile number option. Then you can just tap on manage. Here you can see the underline text that manage. You can click on it, and from here you will find this section where you will find the numbers, actually your numbers. So here is modify section, so you can get a new number. So if you want to get a new number, you have to enter your zip code or city and state, then select area code and the first 3 digits. Set the effective date of your mobile number to change, then it will change to a new mobile number. Or if you want to transfer an existing number, or you want to change your a number, current number, with another existing number, so you have to just check your number transfer eligibility. Then if you're eligible, then complete the transfer request form. It may take up to 24 hours to transfer from another wireless provider, and 2 to 10 days to transfer from a landline number. Then you can just go with one of them, and then you have to go through a verification option, that you can verify yourself from following your from your email address, with your email address, or with your phone number, other phone number that you have added to Verizon account. So then you have to choose one of them, then tap on send, then it will send a OTP. Then you have to enter the OTP for verifying yourself, and as soon as you verify yourself, the process will start, and you have to follow the on-screen instructions, and you can easily change the phone number on Verizon. That's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.